What up, yo? How we doing?
Our cats has to be the most
What's
insane
happening,
AI combination
everybody?
I've
Okay,
ever seen.
shut
So you can
up
have
on the phone. What is going on, everybody? Good afternoon. I'm already in longs on the S&P 500, but I want to add more. Where do I want to add more? This 15-minute OB. I'm already long from the 5-minute IFVG at the low, but I like this 6-hour gap. But I want to add more here. I want to add more here. I want to run it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And I also caught gold shorts too, which was fucking gas. I basically shorted gold at the fucking open. Ugh. Need a fees and BM on this bitch. God damn. Need music. Need music. Fuck. Ugh. Does it say guest? There's supposed to be BM and or well, if BM's around, but a fees. Do. Play that bitch. I already bought the 5-minute IFVG here and the OB tag, so I'm already in from here. But not nearly as much size. The NASDAQ already gave the OB tag, so it might just run to the highs, but I'm already in, so I don't really... If it runs from here, it runs from here. I just wish I was in more size. ES got to run those... ES has to run the relative equal highs, bro. It has to run that bitch. One-on-one. I got hype. NQ and ES look better, if I'm being honest with you guys. NQ gave the OB tag, should push off of it. I'm already in ES, but like I would like to get in more, but I'm literally targeting the all-time highs. I'm just targeting all-time highs. Why is this full screen? Oh, I got shared in Discord that we live. How'd you guys do trading today? Guys, I had the most diabolical break even of my entire life today. Like the most unbelievable. I love how somebody goes, Matt and Nick are defo and longs on ES and NQ right now. You guys know me too well. I can't see. Fuck. There we go. Everyone live. Dude, gold, you literally could have just sold the open. Literally sold the open. I had this. Oh, look, peep this shit too. I had this sell on gold. This was this morning, guys. My draw all day was previous daily low. You go to the daily time frame. Daily. Easy as fuck. Inside bar. Daily here. SMT at previous daily high with silver. Lower high here. Silver higher high. Go to the 6-hour time frame. 6-hour chart. 6-hour bearish fair value gap. SMT at that gap. Previous daily high SMT. Boom. Come down to the 15-minute time frame. What happens? Changing the save delivery. 15-minute bearish breaker. Short here. I'm short. Had my stop above here. Dragged it down to this SMT low. I take off most of my position here. And then I drag my stops to the 4-hour candle high. Takes me out here. Takes me out there. And then dies. And that was that. For S&P 500, this was even more. It was even worse. I get bottom ticked out of this position all the way down here. Like, I think my stop loss got hit at 76.03. I got fucked. Peep Discord chat? What are you talking about? What's up, Flux? Let me see. Fuck. Fuck. Hold on. It is mapping it, bro. Yo, guys, you're going to see some major updates with the Forever Model Indicator, guys. Some major updates coming soon. This is literally, Flux, this is the exact entry that I want, though. Literally this exact entry long. That's my bullish order block. The SMT is just slightly off. Is Kieran awake? Oh, and Cookie, too. Kieran, you want to hop on Discord or Cookie, whatever, anybody want to hop on? Bro, we're getting a major push right now. Wait for BM to say something in the chat, and then he'll pop on. Or I'll just text him. Boom, boom, boom. Let me text him. Who's long on indices right now? Yeah, Kieran, call me. Or call me on Discord. Yeah, no, I actually have it set up. I have it set up. I set up so late, bro. Or what's it called? I got on so late, so I didn't have time to like really put up the full overlay. I will though. I'm streaming, bro. Guys, I'm streaming tomorrow. I'm streaming Thursday. We're running it 3 times this week. Yo, gold fucking came back strong as fuck. After running previous daily low, look at that expansion. This would have been pristine if we had like an SMT at this low here. Like, if this was a 90-minute SMT at the low, this would have been gassed. That would have been a beauty long. Yo, this playlist, this is my brother's mix. If you guys want it, if you guys want the mix, I'll share the link in the live chat. Here, I'll share the link in the live chat. Oh, Kieran, I'll answer the call in a second. Yo.
Yo. How we doing?
All right, bet. Yo, this is the link to the playlist if anybody's interested in the music. I longed the 5-minute IFEG and the OB tag on ES here, but not as much size I would have wanted. NQ we're probably gonna bump it higher from here. I honestly wouldn't be surprised, but I still have limits at this order block in case like we just get some random fucking wick down to then go higher.
Yeah, I saw that before streaming. I thought you'd be in there.
Yeah, I'm already.
That local block to me.
Yep. But I do think that ES clears out all-time highs.
Yeah, for sure.
ES should clear out those highs.
I mean, looking at the dick sell, this could quite easily be lower day. Really.
Dude, yeah.
Look at that, bro.
Look at that fucking wick. That wick set in at the tag of the 6-hour gap.
Yeah, on ES.
Yeah, like, are you kidding me?
Yeah. Especially as we got like an expansion yesterday, like the last like few days of price action have kind of just been some sort of higher time frame chop, but getting an expansion move yesterday is making me think.
Yeah.
That this is probably going to continue now.
Exactly.
This could potentially be lower day.
Facts. Yes, sir. I do still have orders in at this order block. I still do. I'll probably cancel my orders if we like run like 76.28.5 or something like that, and I'll just let the runners that I have run. I just texted BM.
Well, yesterday's daily candle Bitcoin was beautiful.
Bro, I have been in the most, like, that short that I'm in is up so fat.
Bro, do you remember that swing I called in my story? Like, when was it? Is that monkey to the daily?
Yeah, that's stupid.
A position on that, oh my.
Yeah, you would be able to buy the earth.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think.
Single-handedly liquidating Bitcoin.
Yo, who is in NQ from the order block? Okay. Now, where's your guys' stop? That's a question to get a reasonable risk to reward. Unless you hold past. Where's your guys' stop? Could you please talk about your Discord? I am about to be a part of it. I live trade on Discord Monday through Friday during New York AM session, and I do daily recaps of price action, my trades, weekly recaps, and mini lessons that are not on YouTube, only in my Discord premium. So it's like mini lessons that I'm providing every day and every week. And it could be about tips and tricks to be enhancing your trading, primarily risk management, stop loss placements, and other things that I just do not talk about on YouTube.
Matt, real quick, look at YM and RTY 6 hour. That looks free, in my opinion.
Oh yeah, this is another stupid clean piece. What is this? So wait, hold on. So there's a 6-hour SMT.
RTY all-time high.
There's a 6-hour SMT here. Now where's the order block that created that? Oh wait, it actually gave the tag perfectly, bro. Look at this. Look at RTY. RTY's OB tag was perfect.
Oh wow.
That was actually like this was the kiss. And guys, keep in mind this is a quick little lesson here. So see these so like you guys already know the foundation behind all the trades that I take, right? SMT divergence within key levels, within fair value gaps, external range highs or lows. That's step 1, step 2, right? So we get this SMT between RTY and Dow Jones, higher low on Dow Jones, lower low on RTY. You go to the 15-minute time frame aligned with that 6-hour key level. Now, if you look, obviously you want to see a candle that clears liquidity, short-term low, short-term high, whatever it is. This candle is significant. Why is it significant? Because it's the one that creates the SMT divergence. This is the sequential SMT divergence between those 6-hour candles, right? Consecutive candles, that's SMT or SSMT. The closure above that, this is your entry. This is just typical forever model execution. Stop loss at the low, or you could do it at the short-term low that got ran, and then look for a 1 to 2 risk to reward like that. Like you would have been out of this in a couple 15-minute candles like there. Or you put it at the body low, or you put it at the low, complete low, and you could just hold this, let this bitch run overnight, and then target all-time highs. Because honestly, I don't really see why this low would get taken out here at a tag at that key level. Super, super simple. I'm on the edge of the night. If I want to refine my trade a little bit more, I'll use the 90-minute as well. So sequential SMT or SSMT is SMT between consecutive candles. And SMT can happen at different swing points. It doesn't have to be consecutive candles. But a sequential SMT is consecutive candles, whether the 90-minute candles or the 6-hour candles. In its simplest form to understand. Yeah, so my Bitcoin short literally was from this monthly gap that created an SMT here with ETH. We've been talking about this for a while too. And like my ETH targets are all the way down here too. Like this low at 1747.8 and then these relative equal lows at 1368.39. Then you go to the daily time frame. That monthly gap was tagged by this up close candle here that ran these short-term highs. We closed below it here on the 16th of May. We tagged it here the next day on the 17th. And then boom, die. And then I added into my position. On the Monday and Tuesday of the 25th. These two. And I can even show proof in my Discord where I did it. Where is it? So I added in on, what is this, the 25th? I added on the 22nd. Right here. And I took IBIT put options, which is a ETF for shorting Bitcoin. RTY looks so good. Very good. Oh, yeah. Two-stage crack, too, as well.
Yeah, we've got an Audi PSP.
If you want to be with me, I'll never leave. Bro, low-key, like, if RTY closes above this 30-minute down close, bro, I'd set a limit here.
I just marked a border contract on Russell.
You did?
Let it run. Yeah.
Like, I literally would do this and just fucking let this go overnight.
Yeah, literally all the way to all-time high.
All the way to all-time highs. Yeah, I would do this. In the next 7 minutes.
So we got an S&T at that M30 swing low now as well. I probably wouldn't put my stuff at the M30 candle low. I like to be quite conservative if I'm leaving, letting something run all day.
I would literally do this. If it came back down and tagged that 30-minute OB.
Yeah.
I'd just put limits in here. And just grip a 1 to 2 to all-time highs.
Yeah, you literally got the stuff now. Exact same place high as mine.
Yeah. So guys, if we get a 30-minute closure here in the next 7 minutes, I'm gonna put limits here on RTY and just fucking swing this bitch to all-time highs. Just set and forget it. Go to sleep. Hopefully wake up to tip here. Yeah, I moved away from the 4 hour and the 1 hour. I heard you say. Let's see, what would be the risk here? How many contracts can I buy? Okay, good. I can do that. Wait, guys, you want gold shorts right now? What's going on? I don't have any sort of SMT here on gold. Unless there's anything on the 15.
Yeah. I didn't even drop below the daily, to be honest. I just see both to previous daily low.
Yeah, I mean, in my opinion, I think outside of the shorts that were right at the open, I took a short from that 90-minute gap right at open, and I just held it down to previous daily low. But I don't know about shorts here because I don't have any SMT. I don't see it. I don't see anything on the 6 hour or the 90. Well, if you count this, but this gap, see, if you're counting this, I wouldn't count that because this gap was already utilized for an internal to external range move. So this gap is already mitigated. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, same as that. That's already funded to move lower to a valid draw liquidity.
And yeah, I mean, unless if you guys want to take the hourly to M5, you guys can do that. I mean, I see it here. If you want to. And take it back down again. That's totally your guys' call. Totally your guys' call. That's not something that I would be fond of participating in. But if it matches what you guys want to take, shoot. Do I still have my limits in? Yeah, absolutely. I still got them sitting. I'm focused. I also want to get ready for RTY on this next 30-minute candle. And then I'm going to put limits in here at 2930.2. And then hold that all the way up. The 5-minute, bro. 5-minute. The 5 minutes. The 5 minutes. How did you guys do today, though, in your trading? Type 1 in the chat if you were green. Type 2 if you were red. Type 3 if you were break even. Four. Got it. I'm seeing 50-50 between 1s and 2s. Karen, you took RTY already?
Yeah.
That bit. Damn, you're in ES shorts, bro? I'm in fucking longs.
Where are you shorting from?
Yeah, what do you mean? How do I tell you how to manage it if I'm in longs? Oh, the play. I already dropped the playlist. Yeah. If you guys want the playlist, this is the playlist that I'm playing right now. That's the full mix. It's 2 hours. Bum, 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 bum. All right, I'm getting ready to put in limits here on RTY at 2930.2, and I'm gonna hold it to all-time highs. Putting it in at that 30-minute OB. It's different on Tradeovate. 30. Alright, I put my limits in here, guys, on that 30-minute OB. Come down a little bit lower. Come on. Hello?
Yo.
Order filled.
Okay, there you go. Alright, I took it. Now I'm basically going to set my alerts at the low and my TP at all-time highs. Where is that? All-time highs. All-time highs here. Oh, that's all the way up here. Yeah. All right. Took it. I'm setting and forgetting this bitch. My screen is way too bright. My fault. You know what you guys need? I'll show you guys. You guys need this. Oh, also, let me go back to ES. Ooh. ES is still on the table. ES is still on the table. Where's my... Oh, these. This is what you guys need. You need these bitches, bro. Wow. Putting these on, bro, is like crazy. These are, I mean, RA optics are so nice though. Flux. I was gonna buy the 3-pack, or I did buy the 3-pack. I'm waiting for them to come in actually. These are a different type. They're by Second Wind. I'm chasing I'm chasing highs. Whoa, we could come down and tag the rest of my orders on ES. I can't lie. Yeah, T recommended. Yeah, those are the best ones. They have a blue lens that I saw looks so clean. I feel bad for them too, bro. Also, W on the recent payout, brother. I'm happy for you. Now you know my name. Yo, the Boulevard shades so that I could sniff my electrolytes. Did you buy them, bro? And they come with the little pack to hold your salt. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Craig. I think it's low probability to me too. Electrolytes only, maybe some salt too. Yeah, I had no. Ooh, wait. Yeah, actually no. This is SM2 with platinum. If we had a 6-hour SMT or something, I would have been all game, but kind of just looked like an Eiffel Tower in my opinion. No, unless you guys took straight up hourly to M5. and just a classic like this. But I would have wanted something else on top. Reload next to the seat. I like that. Why don't you move, damn it? This is going to be an interesting spot on the S&P 500. Taking this away. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, gold literally fucking fell off a cliff. I can't lie. Gold got fucking smoked.
Wow.
Dude, look at that shit.
It had turned in a 4-hour gap.
The war started again, hence the dump. What are you talking about? Oh, fuck, I just skipped through the mix. Yeah, silver. I mean, no, silver dumped down the new hourly, but there was the SMT that everybody was labeling off here. This dump actually on metals is causing the pullback on indices, but it's not causing like a crazy pullback though. That's the thing. It would be nice if it comes down into this 15-minute OB here. It would be nice if it came into that 15-minute OB. It is weapon. It's a head and shoulders, guys. So free, right? Super free. Oh, bro, Ramon, dude. Literally, let this thing just do what it wants to do. I have my alerts set at my stop and my alert set here. This thing can do whatever it wants to do. I will literally completely forget about this thing. Just make sure you're not risk too heavy on this. Just keep yourself calm. Also, this is oh, let me actually go to here. It's a little different on micros. Let's see why. Yeah, just let your thing sit, and whatever happens with that thing. I'm literally gonna fall asleep with that position open. Of course, bro. I love doing these streams with you guys. They're fun. Whether we take trades, we don't take trades, it's always some sort of lesson in some sort of way. Always a lesson in some sort of way. But like the stream, guys. What do we got here on the like count? We only got 62 likes, guys, bro. We have 300 people in here. If you guys, if we're ripping 3 days this week, we got to get at least 200 likes on this fucking stream. At least 200 likes on this stream would be love. I can't keep doing these streams if I don't get no love. If I could like it again, I would. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, Brody. How's oil looking? Oil could actually, if indices are going to continue higher, CL has an open, a flat body open on that weekly candle. Well, practically flat body open. And it's in this weekly volume imbalance too.
I wanted to drive down to that monthly gap. Daily's flat open as well.
Yeah, actually, like, running to this low would be fire. I don't trade this, but... Why is the SMT not up right here? Set this to manual. Nothing there. Set this to manual. No SMT. Yeah, the flat body open on the daily is spice. It is spice. Bum, 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 bum. Six hour to 15 minute, 90 minute to 5 minute. That's your alignment. That is your alignment. Gold is getting cracked. Yeah, dude, I'm not. If you're looking for shorts now on gold, the move already happened. Like, the move already gave it. The move moved, bro. Fade. Fade. Look at this. Do I have a Tradeify code? Yeah, it's just Sniper, bro. Everything that I have is right there. It's Apex, Tradeify, Lucid. I have Blue Guardian as well. Yeah, don't short that low in the range. That's crazy. Don't do that, please. Por favor. Never change. I believe Tradeify is 40% off right now. Lucid's 50% off, which is gas. And then Apex is still running the 90% off. Bum 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 bum. Kieran, where'd you put your stop on RTY? Same spot.
Literally the same place you got yours.
Okay, cool. Actually, I'm gonna alert Discord too because they're probably people are sleeping. I'm gonna tell the chats. I'm gonna tell chat. Tell chat. I'm in RTY longs on the 30-man Bush OB here, holding overnight to all-time highs. Yeah, the 50% off with Lucid is only with the first 2 accounts. And then it goes to 40%. Donors do the freeze my night. Loner will never change. Indices volume is super low.
Yeah, might just chill for a bit and then kind of pop at London.
Yeah.
That's kind of what you got to expect from trading major.
It's a hit or a miss sometimes.
Yeah.
RTY TP is all-time highs, bro. Literally all-time highs. 29.52. Stop at 29.19.3. Let that bitch rock. Yes, sir. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Asia is good for, it could be good for gold and it could be good for indices, but definitely moves good for gold. I caught a piece of gold shorts at the open down to that low, but I didn't have any interest of it after this. See, no, there's not a setting to cancel like stop positions after you hit TP. That's something that Tradeivate should fucking implement. Like, once you hit TP, it cancels all orders. I mean, I fucking hope not, bro. I fucking hope not. You imagine you get stopped out of the position and then it goes all the way to TP and then you're in a fucking sell order at all-time highs. Yeah, limit's still there. That'd be, yeah, it's fucking ridiculous. NinjaTrader does? Oh, okay. It's W NinjaTrader. W NinjaTrader. Oh, that's stuff. That's tough. Yo, who saw that fucking ridiculous wick today that was set in on ES while we were live trading? All that that was literally insane. The massive scam wick. That shit was nuts. It wasn't on micros, no. It wasn't on Tradeovate. It was just a trading view bug. Massive glitch. Oh my god. You just connected with me on LinkedIn, bro? Tough. My LinkedIn, bro, I just started using LinkedIn again. Want to see what people post, or at least if there's because the kid Benjamin SMC, he was like, dude, you gotta get on LinkedIn. I'm like, what? I was about to start trolling on LinkedIn saying, how does it feel to work a job, everybody? And then he was like, no, absolutely don't do that. And I was like, okay, I won't. Yeah, bro. I was in Kappa Sigma at Rowan University. AKDB, bro. That's love. Are you also, bro? A to B, yo. Yo, that's tough. I'll give you the handshake through the through the cam. That's actually tough. Yo, this is actually so funny. Bro, I was in Jersey Mike's today getting a sandwich before starting the live, and I was managing my my gold short, and the guy at the counter, like, I put my phone down, you can clearly see like my trading view opened up, and he sees that I'm in a position, and at the end, like when I'm walking out, he's like, I hope you hit TP, bro. I'm like, what? I'm like, let me get you out this sandwich shop, bro. Tell your boss to go fuck himself, and you can work with me. I should have told him to tune into the stream tonight. Yeah, bro, I went to Rowan. I never graduated, though. I literally just went to Rowan, or I went to college to drink and do other things. That's literally all I fucking practically tried. That college was an absolute blur. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. GC shorts, bro. I literally took a short at the closure below this 5-minute candle here. Closure below this 5-minute candle here. I shorted at, what is this? 655. and then I had my stop at the high, and then I targeted the low here. Because there was a SMT at that 90-minute gap tag right here with gold, or with silver. I had an SMT right here. So I shorted the closure, changing the save delivery, boom, stop here, TP down here. She was a bang. Bro, who here remembers the drink Mad Dogs? Kieran, do you know that?
That must be an American thing, surely.
Oh my god, bro. Mad Dogs. Who remembers those? In like the small glass bottle. Small glass bottle. Cheap ass liquor, bro.
That shit looks
Bro,
dodgy.
do you look it up?
That looks like a slurp juice.
Bro, Mad Dog 2020. That is a slurp juice. That shit was a fucking chug jug. Bro, you put one of those down and you turn into a bulldog.
Have you guys got them buzz balls in the States?
Yeah, we have buzz balls. Bro, if you are balling on a budget, bro, and you want to get bombed, a Mad Dog and some cigarettes will literally turn you into a fucking subhuman for less than $20, for like $25. Yeah, Mad Dog 2020 gave you 2020 vision. For a one-on-one meeting with the cops. Oh, of course. Four Locos, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Four Locos was a high school age for me. That's the shit that like I would bring onto the train, put in a plastic bag, as if I was drinking an OE. No, literally, yeah. They would make you puke and then also give you the worst hangover possible. You would wake up the next morning feeling like Mike Tyson beat the shit out of you. The worst hangover of all time. Change a mole after getting black. I've never heard of Boone's Farms. I've never heard of those. Yo, if I'm being honest with you, I don't drink that much anymore, bro. And like also like I'll drink like if I'm going to dinners or like nice dinners and shit, but like I'll never like casually drink. I don't understand people that are like, "Oh yeah, like I'll have a beer with dinner." Like no, like I won't have a beer with dinner. I'll have 10. What's the point of me drinking? Yeah, like I don't want to just drink to just casually just drink. Like no.
Yeah, because I'd rather just have another drink.
Exactly. I'm gonna drink.
Like tastes amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink to forget what my name is, and then it brings out my alter ego. But at this point, I'm basically just gonna like, if it's for like a birthday, a big event, or something like special, then I'll go all out. But I'm not really like. I'm not drinking on the regular, like, at all. And I also stopped. I don't smoke either. Yeah, no, exactly. I won't have one drink, bro. I'll have 10. Kidding me? Kidding me? Look at the 5 minute on indices, guys. What the fuck is this? 5 minute is literally like barcoding. Bum, 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 bum. I was smoking cigarettes with Keyflow in Tulum, yeah. Oh my god, me and Keyflow smoked so many darts in Tulum, dude. It was actually like, it was like my by the time that me and Keyflow left Tulum, bro, our lungs were black. Had to be.
Are they cheap though?
Yeah.
Over here, they're literally like less than $1 a pack.
What? Less than
it's
$1 a
crazy.
pack for fucking
Yeah.
darts? Oh no, I
It's
wasn't.
cheap
I
as
wasn't
well.
smoking weed, bro. I'm not even kidding, dude. I can't smoke weed anymore. I literally can't. It gives me way too much anxiety. Like, I used to smoke all the time, bro. And I used to roll pearl blunts off Dutch Masters. Like, I used to roll pearls, bro. It was like my hobby to roll. And then I just got to a point where literally I felt so uncomfortable when I was high, and I just became mute. I just wouldn't talk. And I would think that people were talking about me or like talking shit about me when they weren't even saying anything. And like if somebody looked at me weird, I would get anxious. And then it got to the point where I was smoking so much that I needed to be fried to go to bed. Like I literally needed to be cooked to go to bed. And then I would fall asleep in bed with fucking chips all over me. Like food, snacks, anything. My quality of sleep was horrible. And I would try and wake up the next day and trade. After all night ripping the Benjamin Franklin, falling asleep to watching Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. That's literally what my life consisted of. I would fall asleep, fried out of my mind, with shit all over me, and then the TV still on of me watching some sort of like animated movie.
Probably why you're tripping out though. Them Benjamins are so strong.
I used to be like El Chapo when it came to those pens, bro. That's what I would do. I would trap those in college.
Yeah, that's a good one.
They were like selling candy, giving Skittles out. Yo, Bowser, I'm not gonna lie, thankfully that has never happened to me, and the amount of times I've taken just like free darts from random people at festivals and I haven't gotten like tripped out from someone having a dropper on the butt of it is a blessing. I have not really thought about that. I'm already in NQ or S&P 500 longs. I'm in longs from the 5-minute IFG down below, but I still have limits in at the 15-minute bullish order block here. I am in RTY longs though. From this 30-minute bullish order block, stop at 29.19.3 and 29.52 is my TP. Is anybody confused about that trade, by the way? Anybody want me to go over it as to why I'm taking it? Like, anybody confused as to why I have what I have on here and want me to discuss? All right, so RTY recap, I'll tell you guys. This is exactly... So RTY is this. So if we go to a 6-hour time frame, or even we can start off on the daily. What happened on the daily time frame? We have a daily volume imbalance here. We have a tag right here, right? While at the same time, we have an SMT within that volume imbalance, right? With the Dow Jones. SMT here. This here is also a daily bullish fair value gap. Now, we've had this consolidation. We've had this accumulation more so. Wicks just doing damage, getting us a tag here. Then, come to the 6-hour time frame. What does this look like from this point? This just looks like a market maker buy model with us going from sell side of the curve, tagging a higher time frame key level, migrating and moving to the buy side of the curve, right? What's the buy side of the curve target? All-time highs. What is this? Smart money reversal. What is this? Accumulation stage of the market maker buy model to run to this high. Go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, this is the 6-hour gap tag resting here. 6-hour gap tag, we create an SMT divergence. Boom, we have an SMT at these lows running short-term low. This down close candle runs those short-term lows. We close above it, chain in the same delivery, execute long at the tag of that order block. Stop loss here, TP 1 to 2 all-time highs. Make sense? Does it get easier than that? Make sense? And yo, if you want to wait for the hourly to inverse, wait for the hourly to inverse. I'm telling you guys what I got. If you want to take a long once the hourly gets inverse, fucking shoot for that. You don't need to be long right now where I'm at. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So if you want to wait for that hourly inverse, if that's more confirmation for you, wait for that, then take the trade. So just do what makes sense to you. Don't need to like take a trade just because I'm in it. You know what I mean? Just do what you think makes sense. I'm not here just for you to take signals off me. I want you guys to like only take trades if it literally makes sense to you logically. That's the most important part of these streams. If you think that what I have taken on this chart makes no sense, there's no reason for you to take the trade. No reason. Because I have support from that 6-hour key level with the tag, and the reaction from it was enough for me to do it. And on top of that, we're in bullish order flow. I don't need to wait for more confirmation as to what I've already gotten. So taking a trade from that point in price is enough for me to lay on risk. And if price goes against me, okay, so be it. I try again.
It's just probability.
Yeah.
Like to me, this literally looks A+, but A+ setups fail all the time. It's just you can't win all the time, and if you do lose, that doesn't mean you're wrong.
Exactly. We know our edge. We trade our edge, and that's it. That's all we can do. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't know. No, I don't use a 7-hour time frame. I do not use that, my friend. I want your pressure. It's muscle in the corner with me in my back. I want y'all. If we include the 90-minute also, how would we have done that? Wait for a 90-minute sequential SMT between consecutive candles and then refine the trade even more. You could fractalize it. Yo, bro, if you're about to lose your hair with it, bro, I would just go to sleep now. OD on melatonin and pass out. Come back tomorrow morning. How do you spot? Still confused about this. Okay, so all right, guys. So pretty much in regards to sequential SMTs, see guys how I have here marked off. See how this, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. This SMT is marked off here. And each box represents one 6-hour candle, right? So the sequential SMT comes with a cracking correlation between consecutive candles that form. Not like not this. Not like, oh, there's an SMT between this high and this high here. This is not a sequential SMT. This is an SMT, just a regular one. A sequential SMT is between consecutive candles. consecutive candles that open and close with each other, which is why we have it here. We have the 6-hour candle that formed from 12 to 6, and then the next candle from 6 on to midnight. We have ES making the lower low. We have the Dow Jones making the higher low. That is the sequential SMT there. Between consecutive candles here. This is it. SMT between quarters. Yes, David. I'm just like explaining it in the most simplest form. It's a cracking correlation between time. Yeah, no, you got it right. You got it right, bro. Consecutive quarters. There you go. Yeah, exactly. You guys will see it eventually in due time. Just backtest it. You'll learn. You'll get comfortable. Yeah, you could use the 90 as well. If I go to the 5-minute, you can see on the 5. I think that this is literally going to be a move, bro. We're gonna accumulate during Asia, and then London's gonna set the low, and it could potentially set the low in at that 15-minute OB, and then pop from there.
Yeah, honestly.
I think that we're gonna accumulate during Asia, and then London's gonna manipulate, and then it's gonna send it higher. That's what I think is gonna happen. Or we still get the low set in during Asia. That's exactly what I think. What's gold doing, guys? I don't see gold. Gold. I don't see gold shorts right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, I'm in
Just because
ES.
your bias is
Go ahead.
just because your bias is lower on gold, that doesn't mean there's always going to be an entry there.
Facts.
That's probably where like a lot of you guys probably mess up, is you're married to a bias and price going somewhere, but if there's no valid entry mechanism, then you can't get in. Like yeah, I think gold's going to go to this low, but where am I going to put my stop loss for that to make sense? There's no valid entry to get in on the trade right now.
Wait, what did you say? I like that weekly. My bias on gold literally is just completely stemmed from this weekly gap. Weekly gap, SMT in the gap. My higher time frame bias is down here at 4164.9 on Goldilocks.
Bitcoin's at 66k.
Come on, baby.
66.5.
Bro, this thing is cooked, bro. Guys.
Bro, we shorted that thing at what, 96k? The first swing entry.
Yeah, the first monthly IFVG, bro. Up here.
Yeah, it's that daily order book like 91k.
Shit was so prime, bro. That shit was so prime. Guys, buy zones on Bitcoin, 60k, 49k. Unload the fucking tank at 38.55 if we get down here. This is where I take out a second mortgage.
I'm intrigued to see what happens when we take 60k after what that
I'm not kidding, bro. I think it's gonna be
bank trader told me.
it's gonna be a whiplash down to that low, and then we're gonna get like that sideways movement. It's gonna get some sort of like weird pop, and then it's gonna dump again, take out 49, and then maybe it comes down here. But I don't think it's gonna accumulate down here. Like I don't think it's gonna be like something like that. But I literally in my phone, bro, I literally have this. If I go to my calendar, starting December, last month of the year, you guys see all of this, like these pink lines? All those pink lines literally just say buy crypto. I have from December and January, those 2 months, December and January, the first month of the new year, just buying crypto. That's it. How was the previous month P&L? Last month was actually pretty good. I think I secured roughly 30k in payouts. But my P&L count. Okay, this is where we need to like discuss this. When somebody posts a P&L calendar, and it's whatever TradeZella, Tradecopia, whatever it might be, if it's something like that where you could sync multiple accounts and they say that they're up X amount of money in that month, they're not. They're up half of that, if that. That is probably how much they're up. And on top of that, some of the accounts that they link to that fucking shit could be eval. You just won't know. But nobody is up that much fucking money. Nobody. Unless they're connected to a live account and it's one singular account that they have uploaded. It is literally a fucking scam to make you think that your numbers that you do are not even like they're so far fucking behind. If they're up that much money, you have to think about it, the fact that if that's all funded, they can only take half of the fucking balance. They can only take half of the balance. So you have to cut that fucking idea, that money that they have, that they're showing, oh, I'm up this much money. No, they're up half of that. If that. Not even half. You're right, David. It's fucking ridiculous. It's fucking ridiculous. How about you show me your fucking personal account with that monthly P&L, and I want to see your equity curve over the past year, 6 months, whatever it might be. And if that shit's consistent and that shit looks like a fucking nice little staircase, then we could talk. These are crazy. Crazy, bro. Yeah. Someone could be up literally 40K, but in reality they need 80 to get max payout. I'm from Jersey, bro. I'm from Jersey. Indicators that I use, bro. So besides my forever model indicator, it's just CD underscore quarterly underscore cycles underscore SSMT underscore TPD underscore CX. That's the one that I'm using for sequential. Damn, we are paint drying right now, bro.
It's barcoded.
Mm-hmm. Bum bum bum. You're moving to New York for college, bro? When you move, bro, let me know. We'll link up. I can request a payout right now. My first one ever for 1,400 on 50K Top Step. Should I pull the trigger? Fuck yes. Why do you even have to ask me? If you got the fucking money sitting there, fucking take the money. Take it. Because what happens next? Oh, you don't take the payout. Next thing you know, you fucking are trying to go for an exponential big number. And then next thing you know, you lose. And then you spiral. And you're like, I could have requested this. Then you over leverage. You over risk. You over trade. Boom. Payout gone. Account blown. Take the money. You know how many times I've done that? More times than I can count. Take the fucking money. Take it. Take it and run. Just because you're just trying to shoot for some big ass fucking number. Requesting.
Good stuff. Yeah, because then you can yeah, if you traded a couple more days, maybe you can get it to 2K. I'm sure that's probably what you're thinking, but think about it this way. If you reinvest some of that capital into other prop firms, then you've got a 2-day head start on more capital.
Yeah, right?
That's one thing I try to push as well. You should treat your payouts like a business. Like you should have some sort of plan on how you're going to manage your payouts. So how much you want to save, how much you want to invest, how much you want to reinvest into other prop firm accounts. You really do need to think about it like a business.
Always. Take what you got, reinvest into more fucking more accounts, and start scaling your business. How do you switch charts so fast? Like you have them ready? I have tabs. I have ES, NQ, YM, and then another one I have my RTY and YM, and then another one I have gold and silver, and then the other one I just have my correlated assets on on my charts. And then I have Bitcoin, I have oil. I just have everything set like that. I'm Indian. We can link up if you don't hate Indians. I don't hate Indians, bro. I hate Indians that scam. I hate Indian scammers. That's who I hate. The do not redeem that. Those people. Break me down. Do not redeem that.
No, that's too much.
Head ass.
Who's
Have-
that guy on YouTube that I've seen a few videos where the guy that basically gets in the call with scammers pretending to be like an old lady.
Yeah, that's the
leaks
bull,
the
bro.
names,
He wears the glasses and the headset.
right? Yeah.
I watched that YouTube video. It's the funniest thing ever.
That's so good.
Bias on gold. I mean, gold already ran that previous daily low, bro. I don't really know what it wants to do here. Not really sure, my friend. Not really too interested in that. You got any advice? I always fade trades. Because I wait for too much confirmation and I take a late entry and don't take them at all. Wait, hold on. What do you mean you're waiting for too much confirmation? You waiting for confirmation on a trade, should you just be that's you just waiting for your model to present itself. That's not too much confirmation. And also it brings me to another question is, what is the list of confirmation that you're looking for to take the trade, and do you have a designated model already set in?
Yeah, exactly. Like if your conditions to get into a trade is like 15 different variables, then maybe you do have too many confluences. But you missing trades because it didn't meet your confluences is never a bad thing. So your problem probably isn't the amount of confluences you have, it's the fact that you chase price. So that's the issue you need to fix. Like you have to accept that sometimes you are gonna miss moves. Like me and Matt probably we stream New York M every single day, and there's probably like 2 or 3 trades a week that we'll miss an entry on.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter because it's just part of the game. Like you can't be mad about being right in the direction of the price when just because you didn't get an entry that one time, it doesn't matter because you'll get on the next one anyway.
Exactly.
Your friend sounds like a robot.
Jesus.
Bro, I woke up not long ago. Got that morning voice.
New 4-hour candle, people. Yeah, and this is honestly just boring, guys. Like, what we got? How many likes do we got on stream right now? Because I literally feel like I'm just watching paint dry.
When it comes to starting a business, paperwork can be overwhelming.
Oh, okay. Yo, 3 more likes and I'm gonna run a giveaway. Get me 150 likes. I'm gonna run a giveaway because Price is just fucking doing whatever is going on right now. Why did I react? I reacted. I have 2 reactions on my trade alert in Discord, bro, and it's a frog with wop butt cheeks. What?
People are big now. What channel did you put it in?
My trades channel. Oh, okay. All right. Cool. All right. All right. Anybody that wants to be a part of the giveaway must like the stream. Must like the stream to be a part of the giveaway. Let's go to here. And I'm going to get something going. Let's see what we got to give away today. How many accounts? Alright. Let's give away 3 Apex accounts. Yeah. Let's give away 4. Fuck it. Let's give away 4. Like and subscribe. Apex accounts, any account size. Whatever house a baby. I'm on the floorboard. Killing for more door. Like and subscribe, and you're into the giveaway. Lamborghini. Now, tomorrow's stream, instead of just Apex accounts, I'm going to give away slots to join Premium for a month. That is something that you can't miss. That is something that you guys can't miss. All right. Let's get you guys to start spamming. Spam code SNIPER in the chat. I'm going to load this up. Spam that shit, and then we're going to get the comments loaded, and then we're going to get it moving. I'm whipping around a Suburban. Let that flow in for a little bit. I'll give it 30 seconds, and then I'm going to click load comments. And whoever is liked the video and subbed will be entered. And on top of that, make sure you guys are in the free Discord. The free Discord, so that I can then identify you, DM you, therefore move. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Load comments. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 winners. All right. Let's run it. All right, we got Irie 50K, Rodrigo Cara George, Kern, Belfon 1680, and Jennifer B-J4Y. These 4 people, it's not rigged, bro. It's not rigged. It's not fucking rigged. I can't. I don't know how else you want me to do this shit. I don't know how you want me to do this.
Jennifer's my old account.
Any of these 4, please send a message in the free Discord with a screenshot that is your YouTube channel, and I will send you a DM. Kern, I think I got you. Kern, I just sent you a DM. Now I need the rest. I need Ivory or Irie 50K. I need Rodrigo, Kara, George, and Jennifer. These are the people that I need. I need these people. Join the free Discord. Send a message in the chat so I can DM you. Send a message in the free Discord. I tagged it in the free Discord in the public chat. So for the rest of those 3 waiting to claim your accounts, send a message. I got you guys. And if if their country is banned, then they're not getting the account. I hate when I give away an Apex account too, and they're like, "Yo, my country's banned. Can I get a different one?" No, I'm sorry. Rodrigo. Yeah, Rodrigo, open up the free Discord, bro, in the public chat. Ah, fuck. Or yeah, use VPN. Yeah, just use VPN, bro. Jennifer, there you are. Bam, bam, bam. Jennifer and Irie, perfect. X. Jennifer just sent you a DM. Irie. Doing the same for you. Now I just need Rodrigo. Bum, bum, bum. Rodrigo, send me a message on Instagram DMs. Instagram DM me, bro. Instagram DM me. Yo, we better wake up tomorrow, guys, and RTY is in the above my chart screen.
Like it was in the AM today.
Yeah. I want RTY to be above my fucking screen, bro. Type 1 in the chat if you're in RTY long swing with me. We're setting and forgetting this bitch. Setting and forgetting this bit. Yeah, I think that this low is protected on ES. I think ES has to run here from the 6-hour gap. Look at this fucking. I mean, look at the 6-hour. Look at the 6-hour chart. We're supporting expansion from a key level, with relative equal highs right above. I think at worst is London manipulates the lows from Asia, and then we drop lower into the 15-minute OB, and then it goes higher. That's like literally all I can think of right now. That's literally all I can think of. Since I'm already in it at the 5-minute IFEG, which is literally the same thing as the OB, I'm just gonna leave what I have on here on ES and just leave RTY running. Like RTY, I'm in RTY longs, and I'm already in ES longs. I don't really need to be in more than that. So this, I'm fine with this running, and whatever else beyond that. Like I'll just leave this, and then TP at all-time highs, and same thing with RTY. Or you could keep the beep was just an alert that I had on RTY. But yo, you can keep the alert. You can keep the limit in if you want, bro. Got the hots for you. Got the hots for you. Hots for you. Bum, 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 bum. Can you talk more about why you like the 6-hour? So I like the 6-hour because it is the last. It is a last fair value gap that is resting right below a relative equal high draw in bullish order flow. So with this tag of this gap, this is simply just an accumulation stage of the market maker buy model to rip it to go to all-time highs. Same thing with RTY. RTY is the same sort of situation. SMT inside of a 6-hour fair value gap. Boom. We have accumulation stage of a market maker buy model. Initiation of that from this weekly and daily volume imbalance. Boom. Price displaces higher. At the same time, closing above these up close candles here, trading back into it. These are bullish order blocks. Bullish order block aligned with the fair value gap. Higher time frame bullish breaker. Now we have a 15-minute and a 30-minute change in the same delivery. Down close candle here. SMT divergence. Boom. Bullish order block. Bump it. Send it to the highs. You get me?
And 15 on RTY just inverse as well.
Fire.
Final bearish gap.
Love it. That's what we love. That is what we love. That is what we love. But honestly, guys, there's nothing much for me to do right now besides just let price do its thing. We're all in this long together on indices. I want to see ES go to all-time highs. I want to see RTY go to all-time highs as well. My stop's is setting in here. I'm letting this run all the way to 29.52. I have my, let me see, my sell limits are in. Yeah, my sell limits are in. So I'm letting this thing do whatever it wants to do, and we'll see if we can wake up tomorrow and be en route to TP or at TP. So with that being said, cut it off here. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your night. Be safe, and hopefully we have a nice trading day tomorrow and continue the ripper. Take care, y'all. Be safe. Catch you in the next stream tomorrow night. Deuces, y'all.
Thank you, everyone.
Peace.